Hi guys, and welcome to a new video. I tried to do something different this time, and I'm going to show you guys how I achieved my new braids. You'd have probably seen that from the thumbnail. And yeah, so right now I am waiting for my braider because she never keeps the time, but I love her still. So I'm waiting, and I don't even know what I'm doing. But yeah, just wait with me. I'm also going to what? I'm also going through inspo pictures, trying to decide if that's really the hairstyle I want to do. Classic, indecisive, me. So now she's here, and yeah. Guys, my braider, if what is my braider, just know that she's not well. So that you have patience. Because, yeah. We bought black. What color is that? So the first thing we're doing right now is trying to, well, I say detangle my hair. Meanwhile, I did this yesterday and my hair didn't even stay up that long. So basically just trying to add water and conditioner, and we're blow drying it. I have natural hair. I believe my hair is 4B or A. Let me know. I'm not sure, but I know it's not C. And we're just blowing drying it so that we're just blow drying it so it kind of lasts longer. I don't know if it really does anything, but yeah, so that it doesn't like curl back too fast when it's in the extensions. So yeah. So now starting to do the braids. So basically we cut off a section. As you can see, the part of the braid is going to be twisted into like crosses or zigzag. I'm really bad at this explanation, but you see, we looked at the pictures and wanted it to stop right before my ears, and then the rest would be normal box braids, loose box braids at the back. So that's what we did, and now she's just sectioning it off. She created 6 sections, and in each section she's going to divide that into 2. You will see later on in the video. So as she creates this section, she's using edge control to just kind of make it more defined and neat. And again, I have natural hair, so just to keep things a bit just to keep things neat for as long as possible. Okay, over to the extensions. I use the color 3027, and I can't remember the last one. I'll put it in the description bar, but it's basically like a lighter blonde. So right now, within each section, she divided it into 6, 3 on each side, and she's using again the edge control to make it really like defined again and neat, and she's using a rubber band to separate them. She said normally she would use a lighter band, but this one is a bit thicker, which I think I prefer. I don't know. So they didn't have the lighter band, so she got a thicker one. And as you can see, she's twisting that up again with the edge control intact, and she basically just paired that with the other one behind. I hope you guys kind of understand from the video because my explanation is trash. I know, I'm sorry. But yeah, that's basically the process. So yeah, that's basically what we did, just in each section dividing it into 4, I believe, because that's where it stops, right behind my ears. 4 or 6, I can't tell. I think it's 4. And one thing I will say is I should have told her to not make the rubber as tight as she did, but to be honest, it wasn't painful when she was doing it. As you can see, I was really like moving my head, but later on I realized the rubber was actually too tight. So if you have like, your scalp is very sensitive, mine isn't really sensitive, I can take on a bit of pain, but I just choose not to. But yeah. So now they're just doing loose braid. I always ask for loose braids, honestly. I don't really like the tight look, even though a lot of people still don't get it, which I understand. They always say that, oh, because I have natural hair, loose braids, if they make it as loose as I want it to be, it won't last, but I don't really care. So here, it's not even as loose as I would want it to be, but yeah, I asked for loose braids, and that's basically what they did, and eventually went to the top. And because of my hair is so full, you see that eventually the hair she left out from the front part, she had to divide it into 2 and share. I don't know if you understand, but basically she had to share the hair evenly across so that it didn't look too big when she adds the attachment.
Uber, I don't get car now. But if my Uber inside the house, the client that finished her makeup and she went upstairs, she now came downstairs and saw me that I was still there. You're still here?
I'm still here.
Yes, I'm waiting for my Uber. You can go wait for your Uber outside.
Outside.
Oh my god, people are so mean. I saw things there. Or is it the one that I put my makeup on her table? Do you know how much this table costs?
No, not in our shop now. No. Slippers. That girl that does pedicure. Do you know how much is this slipper? What is that?
Wait, what did she do to slippers? To remove the slippers?
To remove the slippers and put this polish. Said that's dissolver.
So she should not remove her slippers.
Dissolver will not touch. They are just shocked. I was like, hey.
So wait, she now spoil the slippers?
I don't know. No.
Like if it's not.
Yeah, I left that clip in just to remind us to be a lot nicer to service providers, especially in this part. I've heard so many bad stories from makeup artists, hairdressers, nail artists. Is that what they call them? Like, it's really not nice, and sometimes we can just forget and not even realize what we're doing. But yeah, they're human beings too, and they deserve respect as well. They're also helping you because they're providing a service to you as well. But yeah, so she's just finishing up the front parts. She divided my hair a lot in the front part because she didn't want it to be too big when she adds the extension. I don't really know what she did exactly, but I know that she shared the hair. But yeah, I'll see you guys at the finished look.
That's true, and it's a lose-lose when I'm fucking with you. So you
And yeah guys, this is the finished look. I love my hair. It's very different. If you follow me on Instagram and my channel, you know that I've really been trying to, you know, just go out of my comfort zone with my hairstyles. I'm usually on wigs, which can get very boring because I also want to like grow out my hair, but once in a while I would try a different hairstyle. I hope this video was helpful. Maybe you want to do it yourself at home, or you want to show your stylist. And yeah, hope you like it, hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.